Hey Royal Family, how is everyone doing? Hope you guys are doing great. This is the middle of the week, so we're at hump day. Hump day, hump day, hump day. All right, you guys, I be getting these strange cravings, and don't worry, my motherhood days are long gone. So there's no pregnancy cravings involved. So we can just clear the air on that, all right? I'll put it this way. I'm closer to 100 than I am 30. So, you guys can kind of get that drift, But anyway, with all that too much information, I have really been craving oxtails. And I mean, they're freaking ridiculous. I got a pack of oxtails for $20. I mean, that craving was strong for me to pay $20 for oxtails. Seriously? But, that's the going price. And if you want to eat some, you got to pay that. So we're going to do smothered oxtails. I want a little spice in them. But anyway, with that being said, welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for asking questions. And let me just say this. Back in the day when I first started YouTube, look, I was new at this. I didn't post recipes. I didn't understand, how to do thumbnails. But, as I kept progressing through the years, I'm learning. So if you guys see any food thumbnail on my YouTube channel, if there's not a recipe, please comment and let me know if you'd like that recipe for that thumbnail, all right? And thanks to all of my ride or die subscribers. You guys rock. All right, we're getting ready to do this stewed oxtails. We're going to get this on the road. And by the way, you guys go check out my son. I know, that's my firstborn. I only got two, so that is the firstborn. Then I have a daughter. Go check out his channel. That boy can cook. I mean, he's putting up more videos than me. I mean, I'm kind of, a little shame. I'm like, man, he rocking. And, I'm scrambling to do 2 a week. But anyway, you guys go check him out. I think you'll really enjoy his channel. But with that being said, let's make these stewed oxtails and make something beautiful in the kitchen. Let's go. Okay, Royal Family, here is the ingredients. I have a large chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We have a few carrots, I would say 1.5 carrot, chopped in half. Of course, I have a pound. This $21 with tax of oxtails. Make sure you wash them and dry them off, okay? Here we have black pepper. We're going to do some cumin. We're going to do some stewed tomatoes. We're going to do oregano. We're going to do granulated garlic. And we're going to do this chipotle chili pepper. And of course, kosher salt. So what I want you to do, make sure you wash your oxtails, dry them off. Either used a Dutch oven or a roasting pan. All we're going to do, preheat your oven to 400. The only seasonings we're going to use right now is kosher salt and black pepper. We're going to put the oxtails in the oven for 40 minutes. What I wanted to do is render some of that fat off. So after 40 minutes, take it out, and it's going to brown, so make sure you do not have a cover on it, okay? Leave it uncovered. After 40 minutes, I'll come back and show you what we will do next. But remember, wash them off, salt and pepper only. Put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes, then I'll come back. All right, you guys, I got them in this Dutch oven. Don't worry about turning them right now. 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Do not flip them over, just leave them as they are. All right, I'll see you back in 40 minutes. Okay, you guys, this is the first 40 minutes of the oxtails. I want you to take them out, put them on a plate, drain the oil off of them, then turn them upside down and cook them for an additional 40 minutes. I know the Instant Pot can be a lot quicker. I don't have an Instant Pot, and as I stated before, those things frighten me. Even though they're modern, they don't blow up like they used to, but still, I haven't had the nerve yet to buy one and use it. Again, take them out of the pot, drain the oil off, put them back in the opposite direction, and cook them for another 40 minutes. Then we will be on a home stretch. Okay, Raw family, here are the oxtails of the last 40 minutes that we put them in the oven. And what we're going to do now is saute the carrots and the onions. Then we're going to put in the tomato paste. And your Dutch oven, all these goodies, leave them in, because when we put the chicken broth in, it's going to pick up all of that flavor. Again, we're about to saute the onions, the carrots, and I also forgot to add 2 bay leaves, but it will be in the description box below. All right, here I go. Okay, Raw family, I have sauteed the carrots and the onions, and I wanted to cook the tomato paste for about 3 to 4 minutes because it will give it a deep, rich flavor. Now we're going to add the chicken broth, the can of tomatoes, the seasonings, and then we're going to put it back in the oven at 400 degrees for the last 40 minutes. And when I come back, we will see the finished product. Now we're also going to add the oxtails back. And this time when you put it in the oven, we want it covered. And you're going to see how tender these oxtails are. All right? So the tomato paste, the onions, the carrots, and make sure you get that little bit off right there. The seasonings, and the measurements of the seasoning will be in the description box. And the can of tomatoes, and then add the oxtails. 400 degrees for the last 40 minutes. All right, when I come back, you guys will see the finished presentation. Okay, Raw family, here is the finished presentation and product of the stewed oxtails. Now these oxtails took me about an hour and 60 minutes. So by all means, if you have the Instant Pot and you brown your oxtails, that probably would be the fastest way to go. But please use all of the seasonings and the ingredients that I listed. It will really make some awesome oxtails. Now these are pretty hot, but I'm going to go in. Let me see if I can pinch this. Show you how tender it is. Look at that. I can literally pinch it off. You see that? I had to put these gloves on because it's really hot. Oh, wow. I mean, that flavor is so intense. Okay, this is the bone part. Let me just show you guys. And I'm finna bite it. Look at that. Hold on. You see how tender that is? Okay, this has really satisfied my craving, you guys. Okay, let me get the other side so you guys can see. Wow. Look at this. You guys, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I will be back because we're going to have to start on Mother's Day's recipe. All right. God bless you. Take care. And I will see you Friday. Thank you.